Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Connor and I'm a seasoned binary options trader. I'm here to help you learn how to successfully trade binary options so that you can make money quickly and easily. Trading binary options is simple, easy and incredibly affordable if you know what you are doing. That's why I'm here to share with you my most profitable trading strategies that have helped me become a successful trader. Even if you are new to trading, don't worry, I've got you covered. As a member of our closed Telegram group, you will receive free signals that are 90% accurate, so you can make informed trading decisions. Let's start our trading session and make some money together. Grab a cup of coffee, relax, and see how easy it is.
Hey trader, welcome to my YouTube channel. You will find the most profitable and straightforward strategies for trading binary options and here. And if you are new in trading and think that you are not gonna handle that, then you are completely wrong. Because my strategy are pretty simple even for a beginner. Watch this video till the end and see for yourselves. Let's roll. Don't forget to press your like buttons, subscribe to the channel, leave the comments down below. It motivates me a lot. Let's begin our trading session. We are gonna open position for the maximum deposit amount. Now we got $10 on the balance. All the currency pairs have been picked. We are trading on a 1 minute time frame as usual. Let's also select indicators. It's gonna be the ADX, MASD, and I guess the zigzag. That zigzag is gonna show us the local highs and lows, so we will pay close attention to them. Let's configure the ADX. The moving average will be blue, the plus DI is gonna be green, and the minus DI will be red. So we did that just to make it more clear and avoid confusion. Let's also configure the MACD, change the person. The fast period will be 6, the slow one will be 30, and the signal period will be, I guess, bad. So let's apply the settings. I think they are gonna help us a lot. So we're done here. Let's get down to trading and find the most profitable currency pair. Find a good trade entry and let's begin analyzing. We are interested in the KS Pentile trade. So we are looking for the better trade entry. Look at here, guys, look like a good trade entry. That's why we should open a long position here. I'll point out the workspace. First, I want to mention that the local low was updated here. The touch of the support zone took place. We also see that the candles has a huge shadow, which is actually a bullish signal. Also, we see good volume on the MASD, and after that the reversal is expected here. By the way, we see that the ADX is in 45 zone, which is kind of peak here, after which the reversal should follow up. I want to demonstrate that to you. We can observe this right here. The ADX was at the 55 zone and then down right after. Basically, I think it was a good move to open this long position. Yep, and the first one of this profit, guys. Let's update the trade amount and carry our trading session. We are also trying to pick currency pair with the highest per town trade. So let's continue analyzing. I see a good trading opportunity here. Let's open a long. I'll point out the workspace. We see that there was a good volume here, and look at this huge green candle. A strong player entered the market and he's gonna leave up. That's why we see this positive dynamics here, and we are open a long position. It's worth mentioning that the green moving average is at the top, and the ADX is near the level 30, and after this correction, we see that the positive dynamic takes over. That's why we open a long position, the best here. We should also point out the resistance zone here. The price is trying to reach it now. Meanwhile, there's a nice breakout. Actually, as predicted, guys, really easy trade entry, and we are in profits here. Let's update the trade amount and continue our trading session. Let's continue analyzing. We are interested in the highest point out trade. Let's take a look at this one. The local high has been updated, got volumes. That's why we should open a short position here. We are playing ahead of the market. We want to catch one more correction. The updating of local high did happen. Previously there were this correction after that, and now this scenario should play out again. So we are playing ahead of the market, and the breakout should happen at the end. The moving average is almost at the top of the MACD, and the small correction is imminent. And basically we see volumes at the MACD. The crossing of the moving average is a reversal. We got at 3 signals here, more than enough, and we can already see the breakout is gaining momentum. There are around 15 seconds left before the closing, and I'm expanding to the candle to go even lower. So 5 seconds, guys. Yep, our position has been closed in profits. Obviously nothing completed about it, so we are updating to the trade amount, and let's find the next currency pair. Let's find the most profitable paid time trade and continue analyzing. We see the pullback here, and we also open a short here, following the trend direction. We see the updating of the local low, and I think the price will continue going down. Almost no volumes on the MACD, which indicates that the correction should follow. And basically these are two main signals, guys. So if you see the downward dynamics like this, the best option would be to open a short, especially after this pullback, and this way we open the short following the trend direction. That's why I consider in the best possible option here, and I trade it like this is most of the cases when I use this indicator, because the MACD and ADX show us the moods of the market and the price, and basically we should open with the trend here. That's exactly that I showed you guys. Meanwhile the position is in profits. Let's refresh the page. And the current trading, we should also pay attention to the paid out rate. I want to consider this one. So let's take a look that we got here. We open a short position here right away. This is a very good one, because the price is in a sideways trend. That's why a good correction is reduced here. After this downward dynamic here, the updating of the local high did happen here. If you look at the ADX, where the moving average is at the top, near the 55 zones, which indicators this the reversal, small volumes on the MACD, and the moving average are fading downwards, and the green moving average on the ADX is going down while the red is going up. That's why we open a short. It's the best option here, and you can see that yourself. The downward dynamics is gaining momentum. The breakout has happened, and our position has been closed in profits. Yep, we are in profits, guys. Let's change the trade amount and find the next currency pair. Let's continue analyzing. We are looking for the highest paid out rate. There is a good volume here. That's why we open a long position here. I'll point out the workspace. There was the update of the local low, a touch of the support zone. The local low was updated right here. The red moving average is moving downwards of the ADX, and the green one is going up, and they crossing here, which indicators that the upward dynamics will prevail here. We see good volume on the MACD, and the moving average crossed the zero line here, and basically this is bullish signal, guys. And we already see a massive pump here. The local high is gonna be updated soon. Actually, as I predicted, guys, there are literally 5 seconds left before the closing, and I can assure you that this one is in profit. Let's update the trade amount and continue our trading session. Let's continue analyzing, and we got to find the battery pattern trade. We see a strong impulse to the upside, to the downside, and we are gonna play ahead of the market. That's why we open a long position here. I'll point out the workspace. So here's the touch of the support zone takes place. It looks like the double bottom pattern, after which we should expect the breakout. We also see good selling volume on the MACD. We are playing ahead of the market, after which we are gonna be in the reversal. Moving average has crossed here, which hints us that they are gonna expect a pullback and see positive dynamics. And let's watch. The breakout is happening. We are expecting a good breakout by the end of the position on the last 5 seconds, guys. There are 10 seconds left before the closing. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yep, exactly as I predicted, our position has been closed in profit. We are seeing a huge pump at the end. A nice one, guys. Let's continue making money. So let's carry on the trading session. We are interested in the highest per chart trade. We open a long position here. Nice trade entry, guys. Because we already see a good volume of the ADX, the crossing of the moving average. The same goes for the MACD. All these hits as the positive dynamics will dominate. We see the crossing of the moving average from above. Previously there was a good correction, good selling volume, and I think that the local low was updated at this point. The price should go up with the trend. That's why we open the long position. And yep, the breakout has already happened. There are 15 seconds left before the closing, and our position was opened correctly as always. And we got more than $1,000 on the balance now. Let's refresh the page and continue our trading session. We pick the most profitable pattern trades. Let's open a long position here. I'll point out the workspace. We see the good volumes of the MACD, the reversal of the moving average. We also see that the moving average is factoring downwards. The green one is factoring upwards. We are playing ahead of the market and expecting the cross of the lines. Here we also see the touch of the support zone, and we see this price rebound here, and it looks like a double bottom pattern. And that's why we open the long, especially after this massive correction here. So this is best bottom. I want to say one more time, we played ahead of the market. That's why we expected the breakout to happen, and the end of our position. There are around 5 seconds left The breakout is happening right now. Yep, breakout has happened, guys. I forgot to change the trade amount. Let's do that now and continue our trading session. Find an hour currency pair. We are looking for the best payout rate. We open along here. Again, I'll point out the workspace. We see that the upward dynamics was over at this zone. The correction is gain momentum again, and after that I'm expecting to see the upward dynamics because the local high has been updated. It didn't happen here, that's why the price should go higher. We see the same picture on the MACD, the same positive dynamics. Trading volume reduced a little bit, and after that buying volume should interest. That's why we open a long position, guys, and also expect the crossing of the moving average on the ADX. We already see the breakout. There are around 10 cycles left before the closing, and our position has been closed in profits, guys. We got $2.5 thousand on the balance. Let's open final position in order to consolidate our today's gains, and let's change the currency pair. We need the most profitable payout rate as usual. Actually, let's open a long position here again. I think the upward dynamics should take place here. That's why we open a long. We see this huge green candle, and we open the long right here. Because we don't even see the upward direction of the ADX, it means that the local high has to be higher. Let's point out these two resistance levels. These are the nearest targets for the place. Look at this good volume on the MACD, the crossing of the zero level, a strong upward dynamics. Also, the crossing just happened here. We expected it the last time. Now there is it is. That's why we open the long. And the updating of the local high has updated now. The candle shouldn't go down, and the position was updated correctly. And yep, we are in profits, guys. I don't want to withdraw the money today. Let's just keep $4,000 on the balance for the next trading session, and we'll continue from this point. We are gonna open $1,000 positions, and we should make some good money. I want to see $20,000 on the balance. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have learned something new today. So write down your thoughts in the comments. Good luck in your trading. Bye bye.